Hello, hello! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Anna Kilroy. For today's video, I'm gonna do unbox and try on the high-waist fishnet tights that I purchased online. Actually, they are 8 colors. But of course, before I will do my video, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. So please stay and watch my video till the end. Let's do the unboxing first. Yes, it's very easy to unbox this box because I already unboxed this in the original package. Yeah, because when I ordered this, it comes with other items. And here are the fishnet high-waist tights. Yes, it comes in different colors. So, yes, as I've said, there are 8 colors. The dark green, the red one, the white one, the neon blue, the violet, the neon pink, the neon green, and the black. 8 different colors for high-waist fishnet tights with an affordable and reasonable price. Now, let's do the try-on video. Let's try this neon green. This neon green fishnet tights matches my nail colors. They are also neon green. I'm wearing black shirts, white shorts, and black pump heels. But still, this look great with neon green fishnet tights. Let's try the neon pink. Wow, the neon pink looks great too, right? Even I don't have a touch of pink on what I wear now. Looks great. Yeah, I really love this fishnet tights, guys. It goes in everything. See how I project and modeling this kind of fishnet tights. And also, guys, they are high waist. But I cannot show you for now. I don't like to get in trouble in my vlog. See? Very beautiful. Pink. Girly pink. I love it, guys. Now let's try this red one. Now this red one fishnet tights, it's not so bad too. I can tell also it looks great in my black tops and black pump heels. See? What can you say, guys? Am I right? I know I'm right. because I have also the good taste in fashion. My clothes not expensive, but I'm happy with them. And now let's try the green one. And this green one looks black in far sight. But still, look, very beautiful. Yep, and it also matches my neon green nails. See? So, standing in front of you, the lady in Florida. So, by the way, my pump and heels, I bought them at Direct Selling Warehouse or the DSW. Now, the white one. Great! A perfect match. Yes, this white fishnet tight is a great match for my black tops, white shorts, and my black pump heels. Yep, I can tell it's perfect. Very pretty. What can you say, guys? Yes, I love the matches. Makes me look so pretty and elegant. I love it. Now the neon blue. Look at this neon blue fishnet tights. It's also perfect color for my outfit. See? This is also a great fashion for spring, right? I can tell. What a great match. See? You can tell it too, guys. So you have to buy yours too. You'll never regret buying it. Very affordable. For 8 colors. Very nice. And now the color violet. Like what they said, roses are red and violets are blue. When it comes to fashion, it don't really matter what kind of clothes I wear. The important is how you handle it, how you carry it. I can make my own fashion no matter how cheap or expensive they are. I can tell to myself that I'm really obsessed with the fashion, old or the latest. Yep. You see that? I hit the door with my high heels. A great match as well. And now, the last but not the least, my favorite color, black. As we all know, the black is classy and the black is elegant. I love this black fishnet tights. It is also perfect for my outfit. Yes, I will tell you once again, my outfit for this video is also a great idea for spring season. Look how perfect in my body, in my legs. Yeah. Now you know I really love fashion. Even I am old woman, I still love fashion. I will love fashion for the rest of my life. Yay, I love them. It's because they are affordable, that's the number one thing. And second, it comes from different colors, the favorite color that I like. And the third one, they will gonna great match as well if you will wear skirt and mini dress. So guys, overall, you will never regret if you will gonna buy like those. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed my video. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.